Assalamualaikum everyone. Today our group will be discussing a food business, specifically a restaurant, and the challenges it faces in its daily operations. In today's fast-paced environment, restaurants are expected to provide quick service, accurate orders, and efficient management. However, many still face operational inefficiencies, especially in two main areas: ordering systems and inventory management. Firstly, ordering issues often happen due to manual processes or poor coordination between staff. This can lead to wrong orders, delays in service, and customer dissatisfaction. Secondly, inefficient inventory systems make it difficult to track stock levels accurately. This may cause overstocking, wastage of ingredients, and shortages of important items during busy hours. These problems affect daily operations and also reduce customer trust and business profitability. Therefore, it is important to apply effective frameworks and technological solutions to improve efficiency and ensure smoother operations.
Next, we move to the framework. The first framework used in this project is the People Process Technology Framework, also called as PPT. This is strategic models that help organizations build systems by balancing three key elements. First, people refers to the individuals involved in the business, such as staff and customers. They are responsible for executing tasks, making decisions, and ensuring smooth operations. Second, process refers to the workflows and procedures, such as ordering system and inventory management, which guide how tasks are carried out efficiently. Third, technology refers to the tools and system used, such as digital ordering platforms and inventory systems to support and improve business operations. This framework is important because it improves efficiency, support problem solving, and helps business adapt to changes. This will guide our solution to solve ordering and inventory issues.
Big data analysis refers to processing large and complex data set to identify pattern, trend, and useful insight that support better decision making. It is important because traditional method cannot handle massive and fast-moving data efficiently. There are 5 key characteristics of big data. Volume, which means a huge amount of data. Velocity, referring to the high speed at which data is generated. Variety, meaning different type of data such as text, image, and videos. Value, which focus on extracting useful information. Lastly, veracity, refer to data uncertainty and inconsistency. The basic process starts with collecting data, then storing it, next analyzing it, and finally interpreting the result for decision making. Common tools used include Hadoop, Apache Spark, and Hive, which help manage and process big data efficiently. Big data analysis matter because it improves decision making, help to predict trends like customer behavior and demand, and optimize systems such as inventory and supply chain.
Cloud computing is a digital technology that allows data to be stored, managed, and accessed through the internet instead of using physical storage or local computers. It includes components such as servers, storage, networking, and also software where everything operates online. In terms of concept, cloud computing works by storing data in remote servers known as the cloud, which can be accessed anytime through the internet. The system consists of front end, such as user devices or applications, and a back end, which includes servers and databases that process the data. There are three main types of cloud services, which is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service, which is software as a service being the most commonly used in business. Overall, cloud computing provides real-time access, scalability, and cost efficiency, making it highly relevant for modern business operations.
So since every solution is talking about in front of the kitchen, why not I talk about what is happening behind the scene? So our technology solution to handle a fast-paced restaurant or kitchen is an AI-driven kitchen management or KMS integrated with IoT smart appliances such as connected ovens and fryers. For the process, this is about smart execution. The AI analyzes incoming orders and dynamically staggers prep times. So it tells the grill to start a burger minutes before dropping the fryers, so everything finishes simultaneously. Meanwhile, our IoT smart appliances automatically adjust their own temperature and cooking timers based on the exact items being prepared. So the outcome directly solves our operational challenges. We deliver perfectly timed food, hot meals, because nothing sits under the heat lamp. And we guarantee consistent food quality and order accuracy by removing human error. Ultimately, this maximizes our kitchen flow, perfectly supporting the demand of forecasting systems we discussed earlier.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Denis Zarfan bin Lokman, matrix number 1232707. For our first solution for big data analysis is to use a smart demand forecasting system. The system collects data such as customer orders, sales, and peak hour trends. This data is then analyzed to identify patterns in food demand and used to predict future demands and recommend the required stock levels. This is supported by a big data analytics system integrated with the POS system and forecasting tools to generate accurate prediction. As a result, the restaurant can reduce food waste, avoid shortages, and improve inventory efficiency.
The second solution for Framework 2 is the Inventory Optimization System. This is a sophisticated big data solution aimed at balancing stock availability with cost control. It integrates data from ERP software and LOT sensors for real-time tracking within the supply chain, utilizing predictive optimization algorithm and a real-time inventory dashboard. The system empowers supply chain managers to make evidence-based decisions. The process involves collecting and analyzing data on stock levels, supplier lead times, and historical sales to identify inventory trends, such as fast-moving goods versus dead stock. Based on this analysis, it predicts optimal stock levels to meet future demand and automates the replenishment cycle with recommendations on reorder timing and product distribution for an efficient supply chain. The implementation of this framework leads to a significant reduction in carrying costs by minimizing excess inventory and preventing stockouts. This ensures high demand products are available, protecting customer loyalty and revenue while maximizing operational efficiency and reducing human error in warehouse management.
By using cloud computing, restaurants can digitize key business components such as point of sale system, customer order, and payment information. Instead of relying on physical servers, all data is stored online, making it more flexible and accessible. This allows managers to monitor sales performance, track each branch operation, and access important data anytime and from anywhere. So, decision making becomes faster and more efficient. In addition, cloud systems also improve internal processes, especially in inventory management. For example, stock levels are updated in real time wherever ingredients are used. This helps business manage their ingredients more accurately by reducing overordering, minimizing food waste, and avoiding shortage.
Hi, my name is Bintu Mazlan and my metric number is 1232713. So, cloud computing also plays a crucial role in enhancing data analytics and in decision making when managing business operations. Cloud-based platforms such as Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud Platform helps organizations to be able to collect and store large volumes of data from point of sale systems. Inventory records, and customer order in a centralized database. All this data can be processed and analyzed in real time through cloud-based analytic tools, allowing businesses to gain clear insights into their operations. For example, sales trend analysis helps managers to identify best-selling and also low-performing products. In the meantime, demand forecasting helps to predict big periods and preparing inventory accordingly. As a result, businesses can make more detailed decisions regarding stock ordering, reducing both overstocking and preventing shortages. To conclude, cloud computing transforms raw data into actionable previews, improving operational efficiency and supporting better strategic planning in managing businesses.
In conclusion, enhancing restaurant operations with frameworks like people process technology, strengthened by cloud computing and big data, is not just about efficiency but also about respecting Islamic moral principles. The Islamic idea of amanah, which is trust, serves as a reminder that companies must manage their resources effectively and provide clients with correct service. Siddiq, which is honestly, demands that orders, data, and inventories be handled transparently and without carelessness or manipulation. In the meantime, Mas'uliyah, which is accountability, highlights that every decision made by employees or management will be reviewed in this afterlife or during the afterlife. By using improved processes and technology, the restaurant can reduce waste, avoid shortage, and provide fair service, which is consistent with the Islamic principle of avoiding israf, which is wastefulness. Finally, combining modern solutions with strong ethical ideals result in a more reliable, efficient, and sustainable business that benefit both the firm and the society.